All right, we are in my bathroom right now, and I have been asked how do I wash my brushes. So this is one of my concealer brushes. So I use this for underneath my eye and actually to prime my eye. This is one of my favorite brushes. This is from Smashbox, and this is the concealer brush. So this is what I use first. So I take 91% alcohol, and I know alcohol is really hard to find right now, but I don't care. I actually don't use alcohol for anything else but to wash my stupid brushes. So what I do is I go like this, because I want to break up all the liquid from the concealer, which gets like really stuck, and it's a pain in the neck. And then I'm going to rinse it off. And then I'm going to take some soap. Just a simple bar of ivory soap. I'm going to swish it around, try and get a lot. This particular brush has a little bit of a problem picking up the soap, but once it does, see, now it's picking up the soap. And then I go like this. I do have an actual, it's like a flat thing, it's about this big. And you put your brush on it and you move it around, but I don't really like it because I think it really hurts the bristles, so I much prefer using my hand. And then I rinse it off. Get all the soap out. And off my hands. And then I reshape it. And then I have a special thing that I hang up. So it's hanging up like this. Because you don't want to get the water in the ferrule. So you never want to tip the brush this way. You want to keep the brush this way after you wash it. And that's it.